Hello guys, we are back with our next lecture. In this lecture, let us go through the next question, that is a GATE CSE 2019 question 49 guys. Okay, so the question is let T be the full binary tree with 8 leaves. So basically there are 8 leaves guys. So let me draw those 8 leaves. Okay, and the meaning of full binary tree is every level is filled off. Okay, so the tree will look in this way, right? If it is every layer is filled off. Okay, so now we got the tree. Okay, so the question is suppose two leaves A and B of T are chosen randomly. Okay, so here we are selecting any two leaves, okay, randomly, okay, and independently at random, the expected value of distance between A and B in T. Okay, the distance is nothing but the number of edges in the unique path between A and B. Okay, is rounded up to 2 decimal. Okay, so the answer could be in decimal value. So that is the hint here you can say. Okay, yes. So in simple words you can say this is a probability type of question guys. So here you are selecting 2 points. So what is the average they are saying? So what is the will be the average distance among these two? So that's what they are asking guys. Okay, yes. So how many combinations we are having guys? So this one. Similarly here also. So again in that way total how many combinations we can have guys. So it is nothing but the independent cases will be in total 64, right? Yes. Yes. So we are having any combination. So this with this will also be there. This with this will 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 be there. This with that will be there. This with that will be there. So total 8 into 8. So 64 combinations will be there in total. Okay. Yes. So let us check how many times the distance will be 0. So for distance 0, how many times it is there guys? For 8 times. So itself in 8 cases it is 0. Okay. So how many times it is 1? So 1 is not possible, right? So how can it be 1? So 2 is possible. So at how many cases? 1, 2, 3 and 4. In 4 cases the distance between them is 2 guys. Okay. Yes. Moving on. So in how many cases the distance between them is 4? So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Yes. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So it might be in this way or in this way, right? Similarly, it might be in this way or in that way. So basically here we will be having 4 options. Here we will be having 4 options. So in total we are having 8 options with the distance of 4. Okay. Similarly, how many options are there with respect to distance? What is the next distance guys? So 4 is done. It might be 8. Okay. Let us cross check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So the distance will be 6, not 8. Okay. Yes. 6. Okay. So how many options are there? 1 will be in this way. 2, 3 and 4. Okay. Yes. So here we are having 4 options, and from this side to this side we will have 4 options. Okay. Yes. So in total we are having 8 options I think. So anyway let me confirm it once again. So I think there will be more options for this distance. So let me cross check guys. Okay. Yes. So it might be in this way. Okay. 1. So it might be in this way. 2. It might be in that way. Okay. So it will be 4 into 4. It is not 4 plus 4, it is 4 into 4. Because each and every item will have 4 options here. So there are 4 different paths. So 4 into 4 will be 16. So few of you might be confused with this, but let me explain. So the first thing, let us take this condition. So this will have 4 options, right? In this way, in that way, in that way. Similarly, here 4, here 4, here 4, here 4. Now you add them. That is nothing but 16, right? So now you got it, right? Yes. So these are all the different possibilities you can say guys. Okay, so let us start analyzing it. Okay, yes. So this is for distance 0, this is for distance 2, this is for distance 4, this is for distance 6. Okay, so let us write divided by 64 4 times because we are doing it 4 different types, right? Yes, by 64. Okay, so what will be the numerator will be this count. So first time it is nothing but 8. Okay, so in second time it is 4. In the third time it is 8. In fourth time it is 16. Okay. And now what is the distance between them guys? So it is a 0, it is a 2, it is a 4, it is a 6. So we need to add them. Okay. Yes. So it is anyway 0. So whatever it might be. So there is no need of identifying it also. Right. Yes. So what is the result here? So let us continue calculating them. Okay. So this is a nothing but. Okay. Yes. Just give me a second guys. Okay, I got the idea, guys. So basically what I was missing is, so I am taking one way path, but the reverse path is also possible, right? So that is the reason why it will become 8, it will become 16, and it will become 32. Again, they will be multiplied, guys. That's it, okay? So if you ask me how, so let me explain. So this will also become 16, guys. So sorry, this will be 8 only, because it is itself, right? So but when it comes to this, so it is not 4, it is 8. How? Means, assume this as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the distance between 1 and 2 is 1. Similarly, 3 and 4 is 1, and 5 and 6 is 1, and 7 and 8 is 1. But the reverse is also same, right? So 2 and 1 is also 1, 4 and 3 is also 1, 6 and 5 is also 1, 8 and 7 is also 1. So previously I counted only this and I avoided this, but we need to count that also, right? So we are checking all the combinations. So it will be 8, 16 and 32. So that's the reason I have multiplied into 2. That's it. Okay. So now this will be 8 1s are 8 8s are. Similarly, 16 1s are 16 4s are, I think so. Okay. Similarly, 32 1s are 32 2s are. Okay. Yes. So if you calculate, the first one will be 2 by 8. The second one will be 4 by 4. The third one will be 6 by 2. Okay. So this is nothing but a 3. This is nothing but a 1. Okay. So 4 plus 2 by 8, that is nothing but 1 by 4. That is nothing but 4.25, right? Yes. So this is the exact approximate length, guys. So now you got the idea, right? So where I was struck is, I took only this part, but I should take the total part, right? Yes. So now you got an idea, right? So how we need to solve these kind of problems. So these problems will come under probability, guys. Type of probability. Okay. Yes. So I hope everyone got a clear idea. The only logic here is, you need to check all the cases, guys. So we are having a distance 0 cases, distance 2 cases, distance 4 cases, distance 6 cases. Okay. So using the probability we solved it. Okay. Yes. So I hope everyone got a clear idea on this question. So in the next lecture, let us continue with the next question. Okay. Yes. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more awesome videos like this. Thank you.